Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my second YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to learn about something important you need to know. So as you know, I usually create content on everything to do with money, and I've really tried a lot of money making ways we could think of, such as blogging, YouTubing, forex trading, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and so on and so on. So now what I'm going to talk about is something important of which you should know. So based on these money making opportunities I've tried, which one can I say is the best, or which one really works, which one does not work, which one is fake, which one is real? What you should know is that almost everything I've talked about on both these channels, they do work. It's just that some of these things work better, some of them are easy, some of them are hard, some of them are slow. Okay, so what do? I'm a blogger. I make money from blogging, make money from YouTube, I make money from freelancing, where I sell my services, selling my services, my products, and so on and so on. So out of these things, which one can I say is working for me, or which one is best, or which one should you go for? So this is one of the questions I'm usually asked, like, what should I start? I want to make money online. Okay, so what I can tell you that what you should start is forex trading. I know you might be wondering, you might say no, forex trading for beginners is very dangerous because we just lose money. Well, yes, that's true. So why am I encouraging you to start forex trading? Well, the answer is simple. So when it comes to YouTube, start a YouTube channel. Of course, you need some camera. Although I myself am using a phone, you need to use a laptop. You need to learn how to create content, optimize your videos. When it comes for blogging, you need the website, you need to be paying fees and so on. When it comes to affiliate marketing, okay, you need some skills, you need to know how to promote products. If you don't have money to invest in advertising, you want to make a lot of sales. So almost all these other money making ways, they either require time or investment, and it takes time to see results. Okay, but let me talk about forex. So one of the first questions I get asked is that, can you really make money with forex? The answer is yes, you can. Okay, the other question is forex trading real? Yes, forex trading is real. Okay, the other question I get asked is, how much money can you make with forex trading? Well, it's unlimited. Okay, it depends with your equity, your trading experience, how much you're willing to lose, your lot size, and so on. There's a lot involved about that. The other thing you might be asking is, how much can you start with forex? Well, when it comes to trading, you can start with a $10, but that's what everyone says, that you can start with a $10. But I am against that, because when you start with a $10, you'll be having that fear of blowing that $10. So I encourage you starting something bigger, like a $50 or so. But when you're a beginner, I don't think you could do that, like start with a $50. That's too much in Zambia. Okay, so now why am I encouraging you all to start forex trading? Well, the answer is simple. Okay, so forex trading is the most rewarding thing I have found, because when you learn forex trading, when you get the required experience, the required knowledge, is that you'll be able to make money using your phone or your laptop. When it comes to forex trading, you don't need to find customers to buy your products. When it comes to forex trading, you don't need to invest money in advertising. All you have to do is switch on your computer, switch on your laptop, deposit and trade and make money. So forex trading is the most better way of making money, because you can as well make money while you're sleeping in blankets. You can as well make money while you're traveling. You can make money from anywhere as long as you're connected to the internet. And forex trading, all I wish was that we were taught in school. Okay, if we were all taught in school forex trading, like starting with pips and so on, candlesticks and so on, it would have been nice, like as you grow up, to venture into this. The only reason why people don't go for forex trading, because it's risky, you can lose money and so on. But let me ask you one question, is that a lot of people, especially Zambians, are willing to spend 5 years or 4 years or 10 years in school just to get a degree and to get a job. Now my question is, why can't you spend again another 4 years to master forex trading to become profitable? Well, in my first year of trading forex, yes, I did make some losses. I even had to stop trading forex for a year. Okay, just to learn and understand everything, gain more experience. But as of now, as I'm talking, I'm back to forex as my main source of income. I'm now trading forex. So once you learn forex, you get the required skills. It can be rewarding after some years later. It's just that some people only want to learn forex in 1 month and expect to be profitable in 1 month. No, it takes a lot of time. You need experience, you need knowledge. It can take up to a year or years. Okay, so you need to be patient, just the same way as you are patient from grade 1 to grade 12. You need to be patient with forex as well. From doesn't matter how long it takes. So my advice is for you that learn forex, okay, get the required skills. Okay, as you make losses, you're going to understand later. It's going to really help you after some years. So where can you learn forex from? So the first thing you have to avoid is avoid people who are there looking for people to learn forex. Okay, so there's some people with some forex knowledge but they make losses. So what they do is that they just want to share their knowledge to people and they make money charging people to learn forex. Okay, as for me, I don't have time to teach people forex, but I do make videos about forex on my YouTube channel so that everyone can work. So if you were to contact me and say, Keith, I want you to teach me forex, I would refuse, because there's a lot you need to know in forex and I can't manage to teach you everything. And of course, for example, if I was to dedicate a week to teaching you forex, it means that I'll need to stop whatever I do in that week just to attend to you. So in that case, if that was to happen, it means that you need to pay me maybe triple or double of what I make in a week just to stop what I do in a week to come to you and teach you everything. And I don't think any of the Zambians can manage. Okay, most of the people that want to learn forex, I only have 200. Okay, and I can't dedicate a week just to get paid the 200 when I can do other things that can give me maybe a 2 pin in a week. So that's bad. I can't do that. So you can learn forex trading. There are courses on Udemy. You can learn from YouTube, from websites. All you have to do is don't limit yourselves. Okay, learn from anyone. You can learn from my videos. You can learn from other people's videos, other people's websites, or other people in person. All you have to do is learn as much as you can. Okay, learn about everything you need to know. Okay, when it comes to forex trading, learning never stops. As for me, I do still learn from people. I do learn from YouTube. I do learn from Udemy. I do learn from other forex trading websites available out there. So learning never stops. So let me summarize. Okay, among all the money making methods I've posted on both of these channels, forex trading seems to be the best one because all you need to do is your laptop or your phone connected to the internet with your skills and knowledge, and you begin trading. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to be posting stuff, looking for customers and so on. That is time consuming and stressful. When it comes to selling stuff, again, you need to find customers. When it comes to YouTube, you need to record videos, you need to edit videos. Apart from that, you need to struggle getting monetized, you need to struggle getting people to watch your videos. When it comes to blogging, you need the website, you need to be paying monthly, you need to be writing posts. And as for me in blogging, it took almost a year for me to start making money, and all these years I was paying hosting fees, my website was draining me without giving me any money and so on. So among all the money making methods, I can surely say that forex trading is the best one to go. So all I have to do is learn forex. It doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as you are learning. So to summarize, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and subscribe to my main channel as well. So here is the most last important thing. So as of now, I am offering boom and crash signals. So these signals, they're not just signals like other people do. So as for me, with these signals, I don't just send signals that buy this, sell this. No, I explain why you should buy, I explain the expected stop loss, I explain the expected take profits, everything you need to know. So I don't just send signals and you just take in just like that. No, I explain why you should and what to expect, so that you learn as you take my signals. So to join my signals channel on Telegram, you need to pay about $30. It's okay. So you can as well join my Telegram channel, which has got about more than 5,000 followers. We all talk about forex, and most of people out there in my Telegram channel, they're South Africans, Nigerians, and other countries. Zambians are few. I wonder why. So this is it for today's video. Make sure to give it a like. Bye for now. See you in the next video tomorrow.